Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I acquired 1,000 subscribers for less than $60. All right, so this is a follow-up to the videos where I had shown what I was going to do, and now I actually want to show you the results. I had planned originally to spend $100, but I didn't have to get this far. So let's do it. Here I clicked on content. As you see here, I'm on my YouTube studio, so I clicked on content, and we're gonna come here to promotions. Okay, open the promotions tab, and as you see, I tried quite a few different promotions. If you watched my previous video, you saw I explained that I tried to run a promotion in the United States. This one here, I'm gonna click so you can see. And it was run in the United States. The budget was $100. And it ran to completion. It used all the budget, and it acquired 95 subscribers. So it was okay, but for me it was too expensive. So I did different types of tests. I ran this one again, different video, but I targeted Canada, UK, and the United States. And again, it was very effective in the sense, look, I got 19 views and 13 subscriptions. So very high number of people who viewed, subscribed. However, it was still too expensive because it cost me almost $10. So it was costing me almost $1 to acquire a subscriber, which for me is way too much money because those subscribers are not really making me money, right? So the reason why you would do this is, for example, if you're trying to monetize your channel. So here is the one that worked. So as you can see, it cost me $58 and I acquired over 1,000 subscribers. So I acquired 1,068 subscribers. So that's really effective. And I had set originally to do $100. I thought, okay, let's see what $100 gives me. And I actually got to 1,000 way sooner. So I think that was the winner. I'm gonna open the promotion and show you how I did it. So the secret here was to target developing countries that have a very high population. So in this case here, I chose Indonesia, India, and the Philippines. And actually, as you see, I had set a $200 budget, which if you read here, I started running it on May 23rd, and I had set to end on May 31st, but I ended up pausing it way before that. So the budget I had was around $47 per day. I think I ran it for like 2 days, maybe 2 full days, and so it was super fast and it was super efficient. So if what you need is to get to those 1,000 subscribers, as you see, you don't need a lot of money. What I will say is when I put in very small budget, I put a budget like $50, the campaign was having trouble getting traction. So I found that if I put a larger budget, the campaign got traction much faster. So, you know, I cannot guarantee that whatever you do will perform like my campaign did, because it will depend on, your product, it will depend on your content, it will depend on the video you have. But for my specific case, I found that adding the suggested budget they were suggesting for me, $200, made it much faster for me to get to that CPA. So as you see, super effective way to get to those 1,000 subscribers. Less than $60. It's completely legit, you're doing it through YouTube. There's absolutely nothing shady. And yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.